Good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Am I audible clearly, sir?
Yeah. No, but what is the time I have given you?
5:50 p.m.
I am getting late. I have not done even 5 o'clock candidate. So you'll stay on. Hello, you can come to Zoom now.
They are given 5:50.
Yeah, but it may be delayed. Maybe 6,
Okay.
maybe 6:30, 6:40 like that. And one candidate to your number is 9. What is the number?
73
73
55.
Oh, I'm 73 No, 73553. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you can expect after about 45 minutes or so. If you want, you go out and come. No issues.
Okay.
Yeah. A minimum, say 7353392 something 829. Na?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Now this candidate was supposed to be done at 5:20 or so. Now only what is the time now?
It's 5:55.
Okay, see, we are running behind schedule. Okay. Shalini, good
sir.
evening. Please tell me about yourself.
So,
Yeah, Acha, you want to speak? Very nice. Congrats. You are from which state?
I am from Bijapur district, Karnataka.
Oh, Bijapur district in Karnataka. Good. Shalini Chaudhary. Please tell me about yourself.
So, my name is Shalini Suresh Chaudhary. I am from Bijapur, Karnataka. So, I have completed my engineering in information science and engineering from BLD Engineering College. I am very enthusiastic, honest, and determined girl. This is all about me, sir.
Very good. So you studied information technology in which year?
Sir, I am 2018 pass out.
2018 passed out. Then what have you been doing since then?
So since then, in 2019, I was just teaching kids, LKG, UKG, nursery kids. And thereafter, during Corona, due to some personal issue, like my family health was not proper, so I should stop my studies for 1 year. Then I continued again from 2020, half of 2020, and I started for banking preparations.
Good. Now, what are the other exams you have written?
Sir, I have written RRB clerk PO and IBPS last year, IBPS clerk and PO.
Did you clear up to any interview stage?
No.
No.
No, sir. This is my first exam.
Achha. Please tell me what is IPO? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
What is IPO? You have not studied them? Banking?
Not remembering right now. Might be I'm so nervous or something. I don't know.
No.
Studied.
I will start with your own subject first, then come to this.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me what is a network?
Sir, a network. Where in network there comes a client and a server is connected, or a host or two computers are connected, where the data is being shared. If a client is demanding for a data, then the server has to provide it via a network.
What is the expansion? What is the expansion of CBS as used in banking? CBS. Acha, ye sab questions, have you not seen them? Hello?
No, sir. Actually, I have maintained my own banking awareness notes. Like whatever I've got, I have written it.
No, but this is the one I have given you along with the link. This is the thing very much there. Bankers Adda interview, 10 pages material only. Did you go through this or not?
No, sir. I have gone through that infinite.
That is okay. Infinite, okay.
And some federal
that is also okay. But this is based on your subject, your information technology. those questions are given here in this book. Interview questions for computer science graduates. Are you aware
Yes,
of?
sir.
Are you aware of this or not?
Yes, I have seen this. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, I am aware of this.
Then why are you not able to answer me? What is
Sir,
CBS?
might be I'm
Tensed.
nervous right now.
No, but
Yeah.
you came as a very confident person only, and
Yes.
so is it okay? I take the okay. I will finish off. No, otherwise there won't be time because I am instead of 6 or 7 people, I have taken 11 or 12 people. That is the thing.
Okay.
So I have to finish it off early. Now CBS means core banking solution.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about this or not?
Yes, the core banking solutions.
Then
I was just when you were taking the previous interview
hmm,
to that infinite material, I saw that core banking services.
hmm.
That
So
statement.
no. Remember, I think you are. I think you are not up to date with these questions. Please prepare on this.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Can you answer this? I will ask only 2 questions from here to know your level. Please tell
Okay.
me what is cloud computing.
So cloud computing, we can consider it as a hub or a main server where the database is maintained, where the details of everything are maintained in a computing form, cloud in cloud computing. Whenever a client request for any data, the server can send the data via the cloud computing to the client. The information which the client need can be fetched from the cloud computing.
Hmm. No, but if you are not able to explain it, what you can do is you can take the example and then tell about it. Cloud computing is similar to what we see in drives like OneDrive.com, Google Drive. Then, likewise, if you know the names, you tell them. And here
Yes.
we store the data. Like
Yes, sir.
that, you can tell. Otherwise, the definition as it is given. Mm, Cloud computing definition. What is cloud computing? Accept. Cloud computing is the increasingly common practice of providing on-demand cloud services as IT
Yes.
infrastructure and resources. Take it, but what you said was not wrong, but could have been made still more.
More info. Yes, sir. I
Yeah,
will.
yeah, that is the thing. Otherwise, your answer was not wrong. You told correct.
Yes.
You told correctly only. Good. Um, the next one I was seeing is next one I was where is that? Where is it? I kept it. It's okay, not required. Let me go again with that. So I asked about cloud computing. Now let me ask you something about have you heard of National Financial Switch?
Yes, I have heard it.
What is it?
So wherein all the ATMs are interconnected with the respective branches, and branches are like this provides the sorry, just a minute, sir. All the ATMs are connected with the bank, their respective branches. When a customer can fetch 24 into 7 service from the ATMs.
Good.
Like a
So
customer can go to
you,
any ATM and withdraw the money.
good. You told this point correctly. Can you tell me what is the next one? That is NACH. What is the expansion of that? NACH and what is it doing?
So NACH is a National Automated Clearing House.
Mm,
It's,
good. Yeah,
I'm
tell
not
me.
remembering that NACH.
National Automated Clearing House. It
Auto
is
Clearing
used
House.
for.
So
It
yes,
is.
for yes, it's used for electronic payments
Mm,
system. Direct, like direct benefit transfer is given to the customer.
very good. Like I see, for making it understandable, what you can do is direct benefit transfers like pension, then
Yes.
gas subsidy, and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee payment, like that large amount of payments, and also Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi. Such things can be given in terms of this NACH. You should tell like that.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, I will go to this. Tell me straight away. Have you heard of the term NEFT? What is it?
The National Electronic Fund Transfer.
What is
This
RTGS?
It's a real-time gross settlement, sir.
What is IMPS?
It's an immediate payment system.
What is IFSC?
So
IFSC. Indian Financial System.
Financial System Code. Yeah.
Yeah. How many digits are there in IFSC?
11 digits.
MICR. What is MICR?
So magnetic ink character recognition or reading.
Recognition.
Yes, recognition.
Magnetic
Actually,
ink.
sir,
Tell me.
like during my college days, we have been taught with 2 hours. If either recognition and reader. So I don't know which one is correct for that.
No. See, when you are using an instrument, it will be MICR means reader. When you are mentioning about it in a check or in banking, it is
Yes.
magnetic ink character recognition code.
Yes.
That
Okay.
9-digit code is the code for magnetic ink character, because that particular type of thing will be read by the reader for
Yes,
it to
sir.
read for that one. So both are correct. The context is what is important.
That's what I was having confusion with.
Can you expand SWIFT?
Swift.
Hmm.
Sir, I cannot. No, sir. I don't know that.
You told me you have studied infinite small. I am asking from there. Society
I don't remember.
Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication.
Yes, sir.
This is there in the last few pages, 45, 46 page.
Okay, sir.
What is CTS?
The check truncation system.
Good. Where is it used?
Sir, it is used in banks to truncate the physical check being transferred from one place to another.
Super.
In short, the images of the check is being uploaded or transferred to another bank. Images of the check.
But you should also tell in the matter of clearing of checks, collection of, in the matter of collection of checks, this is used. Good. You told me. But all the questions I have been asking are more or less related to your own computer related.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I need to read more on, like, it's been 4 years. And these many days I have been concentrated on IBPS clerk exam as well as banking awareness, which was very poor for me. I have never read banking awareness. So I need to work on my...
What is the expansion of NPA?
Sir, non-performing assets.
What are the 4 classifications of assets of banks?
The standard assets, substandard assets, sir. Another one is doubtful asset and loss asset. Super.
Can you tell me the reasons for NPA?
Sir, if a borrower is unable to pay back the loan, then these are considered as non-performing asset, or we can say that when it ceases to generate the income of a bank, it is known as non-performing asset. So if before getting...
What are the reasons?
Yes, pardon, sir?
What are the reasons for this?
So there might be 2 reasons for NPA from the borrower's side. Either it may be like purposefully or non-purposefully. If I consider it as purposefully, even though the borrower is having money, he's willfully not ready to pay back the loan.
Good.
The another condition where either the borrower is not having sufficient money to pay back the loan, or he might be in a situation where he has faced the loss, due to which he cannot repay back the loan to the bank.
Good. In this infinite small, these things are given. It may be due to macroeconomic conditions. When a country is not good, when a country is not growing on expected lines, then due to increased interest rate, and also when this particular sector of economy is not doing well, like infrastructure or power, whatever is not available. As a result of
Yes.
that, the industry is not doing well, then that industry will be defaulting. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Have you heard of the scheme Mudra Yojana?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
So Mudra Yojana is usually these are the subsidy of CTDI, wherein it provides the loan for MSME sector. Under this they are providing the loan for three categories. One is Shishu, another one is Tarun, and the third one is Kishore.
No. Sishu, Kishore, Tarun.
Kishore and Tarun. Yeah, sorry.
What is Sishu?
So Sishu, they provide loan up to 50,000 rupees.
What is
50,000.
Kishore? What is Kishore?
So they provide loan up to 1 lakh to 5 lakh.
Above 50,000 to 5 lakhs.
Above 50,000 to 5 lakh. Yeah.
What is Tarun?
So 5 lakh to 10 lakh.
Good. Have you, this one is, I think whether you read, I don't know. What is Stand Up India scheme?
So no, sir, I'm not aware of that.
Under this scheme, every bank branch to provide loan of rupees 10 lakhs to 1 crore to at least one scheduled tribe or scheduled caste and one woman for setting up of a greenfield enterprise. The greenfield enterprise may be in the manufacturing, trading, or services sector. Greenfield means first time activity. First activity.
Yes,
It's
the new project is known as
new project, greenfield
yes.
enterprise. Good, very good. Now, can you tell me what is national income? Hello?
No idea, sir.
National income
National
is the
income.
total income earned by a nation. The rate of savings and investment in economy also depend on the national income. Have you heard of the concept GDP?
Yes, sir, GDP.
What is that?
It's a gross domestic product.
Can you explain? Gross domestic product, it measures all final goods produced within the boundary of a nation within a specific period of time. GDP also includes information regarding inflation, etc. Okay. Now, let me come to Karnataka Bank. What do you know about Karnataka Bank?
The Karnataka Bank is a scheduled commercial bank.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Okay. So it was it was established in the revenue of the Karnataka Bank is 7,092 crore. So I will be telling the round figures because
I don't want exact figure. You tell me rough about figures. You tell me roughly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the operating income of
when you start telling about Karnataka Bank, you should tell Karnataka Bank, scheduled commercial bank, started in the year so and so.
Yes, sir.
MD CEO is so and so.
So MD and CEO is Mahabaleshwar,
And
sir.
so and
And
it has
the
so many
chairperson is
and it has so many branches. And
it has 879 branches across 22 Indian states and 2 union territories.
And tell me now about the business.
The revenue of the Karnataka Bank is 7,093 crore rupees. And the operating income is 1,634 crore rupees. The net income is 508 crore rupees. And the total asset of Karnataka Bank is 92,000 crores something, 92,000 crores.
You know what? I want only total deposit advances. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the total deposit advances of our Karnataka Bank as at the end of 30th June 2022?
So I'm unaware about that, sir. Total deposit.
Some 70,000 and all. It is there given in the website only. Please go.
70,092.
No.
Okay.
Not that way. 1 minute. Let me not tell you a wrong figure. Prasanna, are you there now? Prasanna,
Yes, sir.
Prasanna, what is the total deposit of Karnataka Bank as on June 22? Total deposits. Did you go through
Sir,
that?
I think it's around 80,000 crores.
Correct. 80,000 crores. And advances is somewhere around. Hello.
Sir, that I'm not aware, sir.
Why? I have been telling you all the time. Please mug up, mug up, mug up. You will mug up before going for the interview. Huh?
Sir, actually, only these are the data provided in the career section of Karnataka Bank. So I have made notes of only that.
Oh, acha. No, 1 minute. I am showing you what I have. Karnataka Bank clerk in quarter figure. I am sharing that with you. I'm sharing that with you. 1 minute. Gets lot of time. Yeah, Karnataka Bank. This is the figure here. Here also, it's I'm not able to see that. Here, it is given like this. Karnataka Bank has posted, this point you should tell, posted a net profit of 114.05 crore. That is important. Then, see, I am not able to get that Karnataka Bank website and 1 minute. Here it is. Latest news. Karnataka Bank launches, Karnataka Bank partners. Then what is the new slab? Adds a new slab of deposit products. Okay. These things, annual general meeting, Karnataka. This one I will open. Are you seeing the screen now? No. Are you seeing the screen? No. No, somewhere I have showed it in the videos and all. 80,000, then 57,000.
Sir, I think yesterday or day before yesterday's video.
It is there.
In that video, it is. Yes.
Sir, in that link also it's there, sir. Karnataka quarter one report is there in the link you have sent.
Yeah, I know, but that is not giving full figure. For example, it is not showing full details. Like this is what is now what I am showing is only there. You are seeing that, na? Because
no, sir.
No, below that you are not
unable to see.
You are not able to see. Below that, just a minute. Below that, this is what I was showing. This is what you had it.
Yes.
Yeah. Here it is there. I think so. Baba. And in the meeting of directors held, board of directors held at district headquarters, bank. Okay, let me open here in my page and see, because I'm not able to see it there in the internet. Let me open here. I am able to see it here. I will show this one now. I think this is more steady than that one. I know it is taking time. Still, I am using this time so that it is be of use for you. Please see this. This is what I want. All of you, both. What is your name? Prasanna. Another one. Shalini. What is this, ma? I have given this pakka to you. Why did you not go through this? Business turnover of the bank is 1,38,000 compared to 127. That is not required. Bank deposits stood at 80,576. Advances at 58,000. Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir.
So these things you must read and mug up and get to know that pakka in your mind. Then they are telling about some NPA and all that. These things, please mug it up. There is no other go. Okay, very good. Now let me ask some questions which Shalini must be able to answer correctly before leaving. I want to ask 5 questions. You must answer all the 5 correctly.
Yes, sir.
Shalini, what is your father?
So my father is a government teacher.
Teacher. What is your mother?
So as I said, like once I said you, she owns a school, sir. She is the president of the school.
Oh, once you
She's an
told,
entrepreneur.
I think you told in the class, na? I don't know.
Yes, sir, about how to fill that biodata form.
Acha, 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 acha. She is a
President of the school.
president. Now I will ask if I am going to be in the board. Why are you coming here, Shalini? Why don't you go and join your tea school? Start earning more.
Actually,
Save all the
yes,
money.
sir. Actually, I have been like a dance teacher in my
Oh,
school.
really?
They pay me, sir. They pay me, and I like host the event of annual days and the Republic Days, Independence Day. I teach dance to students. That's it. But I don't teach in my school.
Oh, you don't teach in your school?
No, sir. Only I teach only dance.
Dance. Very good, very good. That's right. But what is it you studied? Degree?
So information science and engineering.
इतना बड़ा पढ़ लिया आपने. After that also you are not teaching. And regarding computer, Shalini, your level of knowledge has to be improved considerably.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Prepare, and after reading, go and read newspaper from today till the
Yes,
interview date and go with confidence. One plus point for you, Shalini, is your confidence level and clarity of expression. You must capitalize on this and get it.
Okay, sir.
You are a Kannada girl.
Yes, sir.
Please talk to me in Kannada for 1 minute on any topic of your choice. There is one more person here who will tell me whether you are talking correctly or not. Prasanna will tell me. Yeah, please talk in Kannada.
Sir, actually, one thing I want to tell you that the Kannada in the North Karnataka is totally different from the South Karnataka. So I'll be talking in the North Karnataka slang. Is that okay?
Whatever language is of yours, please talk.
ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಚೌಧರಿ ಅಂತ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಬಿಜಾಪುರಿಂದ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಬಿಜಾಪುರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಗೋಲ್ ಗುಂಬಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಾರಾಕಮಾನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಬ್ರಾಹಿಂ ರೋಜಾ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಗಂ ತಾಲಾಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಗೋಲ್ ಗುಂಬಸ್ ಬಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಡೋಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಡೈನೆಸ್ಟಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಡೈನೆಸ್ಟಿ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿ, ಇಬ್ರಾಹಿಂ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿರ ಮಗನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಗ್ರೇವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ ಗ್ರೇವ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ ಗುಂಬಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಗೋಲ್ ಗುಂಬಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಹೆಬ್ಬಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 7 times ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
I think this point I discussed with you also once somewhere in the class or so. I was telling this, that when you talk from one place, you can hear in another place.
It will echo, sir. 7 to 8 times it will echo.
Very good. Well, Shalini, only one suggestion. 100% it's okay to tell about this tourism, but Udarmit, it should be only smaller extent. Because why do we talk about tome, this, that, and all inside interview within 1 minute? So you talk something which is very positive, which is current.
Okay, sir.
Bijapur, who are the important people in Bijapur? What is the important profession of people in Bijapur? What is good in Bijapur right now?
Okay, sir.
Talk like that in a very sweet way and in a smiling.
Okay, sir.
You are smiling very well, no problem, but still you must. I now 5 questions to you. Governor of Reserve Bank?
Sir Shakti Kanta Das. Sir Shakti Kanta Das.
Capital of Chhattisgarh? Raipur.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a capital, right. Union Finance Minister?
Shri Nirmala Sitaram.
Okay. Name one minister from Karnataka in Union Cabinet.
Sir, we have Education Minister as B.C. Nagesh.
Acha. You are talking about Karnataka Cabinet or Union Cabinet?
It's a Karnataka cabinet.
Okay, that's right. Who is your finance minister in Karnataka?
Sir, I don't know about.
Basavaraj Bommai. Simple things. Why are you not updating things? Huh? Who is the president of Ukraine?
So no idea. I don't remember that.
Zelensky or something like that. Doesn't matter. I will ask who is the president of Russia?
Putin, like
Vladimir.
Vladimir. Yeah. I could not pronounce.
Vladimir Putin. Doesn't matter. Putin, if you say okay.
Vladimir. Putin
Please,
is okay. Okay.
please tell me who is the president of India?
Sir, Murmu, Draupadi Murmu.
Good. Very good. Why I am spending so much time with you, Shalini? Because other things remaining constant, if only you improve your knowledge slightly, little, you will get.
Yes,
But,
sir.
but
Sir, definitely.
because you have all the other qualities that are required to become a successful banker. But knowledge-wise, you stand a gap. Are you writing clerical exam and all that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Doesn't matter.
That's what
Doesn't matter. Write that, but then spend some every day 2-3 hours for preparation for this.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
Best wishes. Now, if you want, you can watch our Prasanna's interview now. She is
Yes,
also an active participant. I think you must have seen her in the class. Yes.
Yes, sir. Last video. Yes, last video of her, I have seen it.
Yeah. Good. Welcome, Prasanna. How are you?
Sir, I'm doing good. How about you, sir?
Fine. Prasanna, what happened? I wanted you to come at 5. What is the time?
40, sir.
5:40.
5:40.
Now 6:10 or 6:20?
It's
6:26, sir.
6:30.
6:20.
Six-
40.
about-
We are running behind schedule by 40 minutes. Doesn't matter. Prasanna, please tell
Yes,
us
sir.
about yourself. I am asking you for the 4th time, but still I have to do this.
Sir, it's fifth interview, sir. My fifth
5th
mock
interview. Acha. Please tell me about yourself briefly.
Yes, sir. I am Prasanna and I come from Tirupur district of Tamil Nadu, which is famous for garment exports. And I come from a family of 4. And I completed my undergraduation in BA English Literature from PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore in 2021. Since then, I have been preparing for banking exams and I am a very optimistic person. My hobbies are reading fiction and playing badminton.
Good. Badminton. Who are the important people in badminton known in India?
Yes, sir. Women players, one of the famous women players is Miss P.V. Sindhu. And then in men, we have Mr. Pranoy and Mr. Lakshya Sen, like that.
Very good. Now, let me start with something new for you. What is the controversy that is going on in NDTV, acquisition of shares? Did you read that or not?
Sir, no, sir, I haven't read that.
Oh, this is the news going on in newspapers now. Adani is trying to take over control of NDTV. So please go through that. Some news is going on. You can see it in businessstandard.com or any other paper, or see in other Tamil news also, you will get it. That's very fine. Now let me come to general questions for you. What do you understand by financial inclusion?
Sir, financial inclusion is making available the financial services at affordable rates to the vulnerable class of people.
Can you tell what are the schemes government is adopting? What are the ways government is adopting to achieve this objective?
Yes, sir. There is an umbrella scheme called Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, under which zero balance accounts are open for people, and there is also insurance schemes named Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, and also for unorganized sector workers we have Atal Pension Yojana, sir.
Good. Now I'm coming to another area of topic. What is Mudra Yojana? Please tell me about that.
Sir, Mudra Yojana expands to micro units development Sir, I don't.
No, I don't have to tell the expansion of Mudra because even I don't remember it now. You tell the salient features of that scheme.
Sir, under Mudra Yojana, banks offer certain percentage of loans to the micro industries, enterprises. Sir, I'm not able to recall.
Why?
Just
What
give me
happened?
one.
Yeah, just take one.
Sir, I have not.
You have not studied that.
Sir, no, sir, I have not studied that. Yes, sir. To finance self-employment and small business enterprises, it was launched in 2015, whereby the lending institutions provide finances to micro enterprises up to 10 lakhs. That is all is in this book also, sir. So I know only one point.
Yeah, here in the book I have provided also. Only that much I have given. Infinite small book. The scheme was launched in 2015 and they provide loans up to 10 lakhs for non-farm. That is more important. Non-farm, FARM,
Non-farming
and non-corporate small and micro enterprise. It should not be a corporate. The three types of loans names, you know, what are the loans? Sishu,
Sir, no, sir, I'm not.
Sishu, Kishore, Tarun. Unfortunately, you have not studied this. And I am landing up in that page right today. Doesn't matter. Then this also you have not studied. Stand Up India scheme. All this is available in page number 45, 46, 44 of our, what is that? Infinite small material.
Yes, sir.
45 for, yeah. Last few pages. Okay, please read that. Sorry, why? I thought you would have mugged up all these things. Why? How come you omitted this?
Sir, I thought since it's a private sector bank, they wouldn't go so much about financial inclusivity. Like we know the basics, so we can manage with that, I thought.
Very good. That's also right. What you say is also 100% correct. You are very suitable for our bank because what makes you think you are very suitable for our bank?
Yes, sir. One is that I'm good at communication skills, which is evident from the extempore prizes that I've got. And two is that I'm an emotionally intelligent person through which I can manage and use my emotions in a positive way to diffuse conflicts, to empathize with the needs of customers, and also to overcome challenges. And three is that I'm a very diligent, hardworking person. Even I always put in a consistent amount of work every day, even if I'm not feeling like working. So that is a quality even I am proud of myself.
Good. Can you tell me, supposing you go and work in a bank branch, what are the aspects in which your manager will be very keen that your involvement or performance should be at the top level? Which areas he would like you to concentrate and work as a clerk?
Sir,
the question is nothing. The question is put in a different way, whereas it is nothing but your job role.
Job role of a clerk.
But the same thing I am putting it differently. How I am asking, what is it your manager will expect you to do better when you are there? That means you should try to elaborate on the job role and in a fine manner. The manager will expect me to be very good in receiving the customers and talking to them in a nice smiling way and also explaining the schemes to them. The manager will be very happy if I take up more responsibility of, say, single window where I not only make payment but also receive payment. And the manager will be very, very happy if I am good in canvassing more savings bank accounts, more by insurance. That is nothing but stories.
Yes, sir.
I asked this question because you are a good literature student. I thought you will be able to elaborate and tell me. Can you try this?
Yes, sir. My manager would want me to be very friendly and cooperative when dealing with customers. He would expect me to provide 100% customer satisfaction, and he would also want me to attract more customers to the banks by canvassing either for deposit accounts or for loan accounts or for bank assurance products. And he would also appreciate me if I maintain the records in a very efficient manner so that the functioning of the bank branch runs smooth.
Yeah, like I complete the work on time, I don't leave things pending, something like that.
Yeah.
Some masala. What is banking ombudsman scheme?
The banking ombudsman scheme is an internal grievance redressal mechanism set by RBI to look into the problems in the banking sector.
Banking ombudsman is a scheme introduced by Reserve Bank of India where customers of banks will be approaching banking ombudsman for redressal of their grievances. Customers are expected to give 30 days time notice to the bank for redressal of their grievance, and in spite of it, if it is not solved, then the matter can be taken to banking ombudsman. The banking
ombudsman is free of cost.
Yeah, and he will refer the case to the branch and suggest corrective measures. Maximum compensation of 20 lakhs will be offered by banking ombudsman, and
Yes,
one lakh more for mental agony. There are 22 offices of banking ombudsman. But now one extra point that we can add is that earlier we were having separate banking ombudsman for NBFC and all. Now all of them are brought under one umbrella. Like this banking ombudsman will take care of NBFC also.
Yes, sir.
Something like that. About that, you please read.
Sure, sir.
Very good. What is bank rate?
Sir, bank rate is the rate at which RBI lends scheduled commercial banks long-term loans without any collateral, and the present bank rate stands at 5.65%.
Good. We have 5.65% this one. At the same time, they have another one. What is that? MSF rate. Why that MSF rate?
Sir, marginal standing facility is additional loans that scheduled commercial banks can take from RBI in order to meet their day-to-day liquidity mismatches, sir. And it should be taken on multiples of 1 crore and against collateral.
And another point is, instead of telling everyday mismatches, you can say emergencies.
Emergencies.
Because everyday mismatch and all can be managed with our repo rate itself, 5.40.
Yes, sir.
Whereas only when it is an extreme emergency, when you are not getting any money in call money market or any other thing, then you come to MSF. Good. You told this correctly.
Yes.
Yeah. And this economics term and all, are you familiar?
Yes, sir.
Moral suasion. What is that? It is
moral suasion is one of the qualitative tools used by Monetary Policy Committee to control the liquidity in the market, and it is related to lending loans.
No.
Like on what basis the loans are lent?
No, not that way. Moral suasion refers to a method of request, a method of advice by the RBI to the commercial bank to take certain measures as per trend of the economy. As per trend of the economy. This is there in our infinite small material.
Yes, sir.
Under that, you know, what are the quality tools they are telling? Like
Credit margin,
credit
increase in the credit margin.
Credit rationing, then selective credit control, margin requirements, moral suasion, then direct action. Okay, that you can read it. Achha, this also I have never asked anybody so far. I am asking you, what is LAF?
LAF expands to liquidity adjustment facility. It is a quantitative tool under which comes bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate, and marginal standing facilities, sir.
Super. Good. What can you tell me about CRR, how it works?
Yes, sir. CRR expands to cash reserve ratio. It is a percentage of net demand and time liabilities that are kept with of the scheduled commercial banks that are kept with the RBI, and no interests are provided for the CRR, and it is kept in the form of cash.
Good. Now tell me, many people are talking about CASA. What is CASA?
Sir, CASA expands to current account, savings account. It is the cheap source of funds for banks because these are demand deposits, and the banks do not have to provide high rates of interest for CASA deposits. Likely for current account, there is no interest provided, and in Karnataka Bank for savings account, the interest rate ranges from 2.75% to 4.5%.
Good. Excellent. Now, earlier in 1969 and all, banks were nationalized.
Yes, sir.
You know what is meant by nationalization?
Yes, sir. Government taking the stake of banks.
Now, the reverse process is going on. Say,
Yes, sir.
privatization is now which two banks are being told that they will be privatized?
Sir, that I'm not aware, sir.
I think it has come now. Indian Overseas Bank and probably Bank of India. I'm not sure. Please check it up.
Yes, sir.
Now, and of course, this is very. I'm certain about this. But government is going to give 15,500 crore now for say reinfusement of capital, mainly for which two banks? That is Central Bank and Punjab and Sindh Bank.
Punjab and Sindh Bank. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
very good. Now let us all forget about nationalized bank, private bank and all that. Let us come to Karnataka Bank. So what is the speciality of Karnataka Bank?
Sir, Karnataka Bank is one of the well-performing banks. It is the pioneer in implementing core banking solutions. And Karnataka Bank is a very technologically advanced bank. For example, Karnataka Bank is opening two digital banks in Bangalore, where there will be no employers, and the service is in the nature of self-service. And the Karnataka Bank also has a well-functioning app called KBL Money Click, I think. And in Karnataka Bank has more than 500 e-lobbies.
What are e-lobbies?
The e-lobbies are those banking points where there will be no employers.
Don't stress more importance on employers. Tell everything will be done by the machines or artificial intelligence. So that is the point here. Leave alone the concept of say employees or not. There may be 1 or 2 persons to oversee that and all that. But the concept is gaining importance because it is automatic. It is done as if by a robot. That it will listen to you, it will act as per your requirement and all that. In fact, yesterday in our Telegram page, I have posted. Did you see that one about digital this thing? Hello.
Sir, I am following everything that is posted on Telegram group, but I did not come across anything digital.
Oh, I have given you this. Karnataka Bank has today
Yes,
inaugurated
sir, that I mentioned, sir.
Yeah, you mentioned, yes, but there the extra points they are telling is it is offering various services like opening of savings bank account, issuance of debit cards, bill payment facility, cash withdrawal, cash deposit, and in principle sanction of retail loans through digital.
Loans are sanctioned.
Even loans are
At
sanctioned
night mode.
through digital mode channels in paperless, efficient, safe, and secured environment. Why this is important? You have to mug it up. Why this is important? The last few lines, chairman is telling, it provides an easy, delightful banking experience for customers of all generations, and I consider it a natural evolution for Karnataka Bank to realize its dream of emerging as the digital bank of future. I mean, because you are a literature student, you will appreciate these things. Nicely given. Okay. Please go through that. Very good. Very nice. That's good. Now, a few more questions for you. What can you name a few assets of the bank? What are the assets of the bank?
Assets are basically loan accounts which provide interest for the banks. And in Karnataka Bank, we have express car loans, express easy ride, that is two-wheeler loans, and express home loans, and also loans for farmers for different aspects. Like we provide loans for irrigation. I mean, Karnataka Bank provides loans for irrigation and for purchasing machineries, etc.
Fine. Tell me some more assets other than loans. This is, of course, more for commerce students, but I am asking purposely. Tell me.
Sir, Karnataka Bank provides
not necessarily Karnataka Bank. What are the assets of a bank? You told loans. Fine. Apart from that.
Overdraft facilities are also a type of assets for the banks.
That is also loan only. Leave it. Come to other things. I think you are not.
Banks invest.
I think you are not aware of this concept. Fixed assets in the form of building, computer, vehicles. All those are fixed assets.
Yes, sir.
And then intangible assets are, say, goodwill. Goodwill. Then other forms of assets are cash. The bank that is holding cash, that is also an asset. The monies that the bank has deposited with the Reserve Bank of India or other banks, that is also an asset. It can be converted to cash. Now, if I ask the next question also, you may not be able to answer me. What are the items that come under liabilities of a balance sheet? I did not put it that way because you will think it is a commerce question. That's why I put it the other way. Liability side of a balance sheet is 1, capital, 2, reserves, 3, profit made, etc. Then the deposits received from the customers and the borrowings made from other banks, other organizations. Okay, good. Can you name 4 public sector banks?
Yes, sir. We have State Bank of India, we have Punjab National Bank, and we have Bank of Baroda, and we have Central Bank of India.
Good. Can you name 4 private sector banks?
Yes, sir. HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Federal Bank, and Karnataka Bank.
Good. Can you name 4 North Indian states?
Yes, sir. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan.
Can you name 3 southern states chief ministers?
Yes, sir. For Tamil Nadu, we have Mr. M.K. Stalin, and for Kerala, we have Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, and for Karnataka, we have Mr. Basavaraj Bommai.
Can you name 3 rivers flowing in Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sir. We have Vaigai, we have Kaveri, and we also have Noyal, which is a tributary of Kaveri, which on whose bank my city is located.
Good. Can you please tell the names of 3 Tamil Nadu ministers, state cabinet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have Mr. Senthil Balaji, who is the Minister of Electricity, and we have Mr. Palanivel Tyagarajan, who is the Minister of Finance, and we have Mr. M.K. Stalin, who is the Chief Minister and also the Home Minister of Tamil Nadu.
Good. I would request you to know about some Thengam Tannarasi or so, industries minister, because you are living in Tirupur.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you. You have done well. Best wishes. Of course, there were some tough questions. It cannot be avoided in an interview like this. And it all depends on our luck also. Who is the CEO of MD CEO of our Karnataka Bank?
Mr. M.S. Mahabaleshwara.
Chairman?
The non-executive chairman of Karnataka Bank is Mr. Pradeep Kumar Pankaj.
First class. Good. Thank you. Thank you. You did well. No problem. 9 out of 10. But again, as I told you last time, it depends on luck.
Like today, I was not able to answer a lot of questions.
It happens. It happens. I never made it purposefully because I was with Shalini in some page. I continued from that page. That was the idea. Anyhow, don't worry. But there is no reason why you should not have completed reading of all these things and have a fair idea of what it is. Not fully. Some idea. At least you must have had a awareness that what is mudra, what is Kishore, Tarun and all that. This can be in your mind. I expect
Sir, I have
everybody.
a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, as Prasanna asked, being a clerk job, whether they are going that much deep, or we need to
Certainly
get to
no.
know about.
Certainly they will not go as deep as I have done. Whatever I have done is at the level of probationary officers interview. But I want my candidates to be more ready for
Yes,
a
sir.
tougher situation. In
Yes.
that interview, I have told you in the classes very well. They will ask
Yes, sir.
about your family, about your college, about your degree, about your likes, about your dislikes, about your achievements, what you want to be, what you can do for us, what I can do for you. Okay, thank you. Bye. That's all.
Sir, and one more thing.
Yeah.
I think 2 weeks back, someone has made a list of ministers of Karnataka, but I'm not getting that in Telegram page. So could you please tell that person
I will. Yeah,
repost?
I think I have list with me also. Karnataka ministers. I will post it. I will post
Yes,
it.
sir. Because I'm only having around 5 to 6 ministers.
No. I have a.
That's it.
I have a
Yeah.
full list. It is coming in our Telegram. I mean, Google itself. Anyhow,
Okay, sir.
I will try to give you afterwards. Now I am busy with other candidates. Thank you, Prasanna.
Thank
Best
you.
wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
We will go to the next person. Who has to come next? Please come on. Who is to come now after?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is your number, please?
7355.
अच्छा, ठीक है जी. What is your name, please?
So my name is Ali.
Ali Raza.
Yes, sir.
You are
So
from
I
which?
have one request for you.
Yeah.
Can I don't want to have a recording of this session, please.
1 minute.
Is that okay?
No problem. I will talk to you for lesser time. That's all. Very simple. No problem. Is it? You don't want it to be recorded?
Yeah, please.
It's okay. No problem. Just a minute for 5 minutes. Just a minute for 5 minutes.